Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your Instagram account from the account center. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. Please open the Instagram app on your phone and then go to your page. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the three bars and then select Settings and Privacy. And this is where you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. Then scroll down a little bit and then select the Account section. And in this step, you'll need to select the account that you'd like to delete. Click Delete. After that, click Delete Account. Next, confirm your action. And now, in order to completely delete your Instagram account from the account center, click Delete Account again. After that, it will be immediately deleted from this account center from the account Meta. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily and quickly delete your Instagram account from the account center. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please put your likes, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.